Hi guys, part 2. Ito na yung fish natin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whee! Oh my god! Isn't he cute? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I named this one Goldie, like Peppa's
Lalaki ba to?
I don't know. And I named this Lucky. It's kind of cute. Oh, let me up. Oh my god, look at that. Beautiful dog.
Tara dito. Dalawa sila.
Oh, what? No, he's not two. Look, it's the...
Dito. Dalawa sila to.
May ballpen dyan.
Dalawa sila. Ay, baby ko pa. Dalawa.
Yan na isang pack. Sabi mo, wala kang pambiling ballpen. Baka ballpen na lang. Wala.
Kakain.
Come on. Your first time.
Maglalaban tayo. Go.
Ano, papel?
No. Hoy, alaga.
Yung sila, yung alaga ko at alaga kung sino panalo. O, dadagin kita.
Asan galing yung mga bato niyan?
Sila pa ako. Yung meron siyang ano.
Baka fake ba yan or
Padala
real?
dapat sa akin. Sabi ko doon mo kay JB padala. Wag sa
Sigit lang. I-change ko yung filter. There you go.
yung address.
Let's see clearly. Oh, they're beautiful. Oh, what the? There's double.
Bili na ng ulam.
Hey, say hi, Lucky. Lucky, say hi. Don't you dare. Oh yeah, I forgot the fish don't talk.
Lito mong bunga na baby mo, te.
Look at the goldie. He's so precious. Just like a gold. Oh my god.
Kaya gold kasi mimiya yumaman ako.
Oh my god, don't say that. You gotta put her.
Bombastic bite.
Okay, guys. This is the aquarium. Oh my god. Don't cry.
My baby, don't cry. It's the fish. Luglug kita. Wow,
Magpasundo ka tapos magpahatid ka. Pag marang kang bitbit, magpahatid ka na.
Oh, how.
How about tumae tayo sa shore?
Gat-gat ka kasama.
Palalaglag nga yan. How about kuhain ko na lang?
See,
At kainin ko sa bunganga ko.
you can see the gold.
Ay,
Gold.
mamimili. Akala ko na
Can you see Lucky? No, you can't see Lucky. Oh,
Tata.
hi, Lucky. Hi. Oh, you're welcome.
Kikis kami, te.
Namili na sila.
Kikis kami. Ay, ano malayo?
Ayusin niyo ni Lucky.
Yung alaga mo naman.